Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install BigCommerce easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start your BigCommerce installation, first, visit the BigCommerce website. Click on the Get Started button to create your account. Fill in your email address and choose a password. Next, enter your store name and click on Create Your Store. You will then be directed to a setup wizard. Select the type of business you're running. If you already have an existing site, provide the URL for integration. Choose the template you want for your store from the options available. Customize your template by selecting colors, fonts, and layouts that suit your brand. After customizing, click on Save and continue to proceed. You will then be taken to the dashboard of your new BigCommerce store. Here, you can set up product categories. Click on Products in the left-hand menu. Select Add to create a new product. Enter product details such as name, description, price, and images. Make sure to organize your products into appropriate categories. Once you have added your products, navigate to the Settings section. Set up payment gateways by clicking on Payments. Choose your preferred payment methods and fill in the necessary details. After setting up payments, go to the Shipping settings. Configure your shipping options based on your business needs. Next, head to Taxes to set up tax rates relevant to your location. Make sure to enable the necessary tax rules for your products. Now, go back to the dashboard and click on Online Store. Select domains to connect your own domain name if you have one. Follow the prompts to link your domain to your BigCommerce store. Once your domain is set up, click on Launch Your Store. Confirm your readiness to go live. Review all your settings and product details one last time. When everything looks good, click on Launch Store to make it public. Congratulations, your BigCommerce store is now live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.